Colive Kyoto is a one-week program attracting digital nomads from anywhere in the world. So this place is called Taikokyo, and this building has been built for nearly 460 years.
Taikokyo is one of the registered heritage.
And we would like to open up this very traditional Japanese old house to digital nomads. It's located very near to the Arashiyama area, which is known for the bamboo forest, and then this place is surrounded by very beautiful Japanese garden.
The concept of Colive Kyoto is one day, one thing.
It's pretty relaxed in general, and you can pick your activities based on your schedule, and we make sure that you can work without any problems of Wi-Fi or spaces.
Our Colive Kyoto provides unique experience to you.
Colive Kyoto program will be perfect for you if you really enjoy staying in a remote yet very beautiful nature area, and you can focus on your work, yet you can also enjoy all the activities that Kyoto would offer you.